Hello guys, this is Gabi Tech. Today we're going to take a look at Mi Smart Band 4. Yes, you will say, oh, one more Xiaomi review. Trust me, it's just a coincidence. I didn't mean it. I say my true opinion. I really like a lot of the Xiaomi products. I can't lie about this because this little cutie here makes you think about your health and much more. I mean, I had before something similar to this. I had View of It by Garmin and I was quite happy with it, but it was very pinkish color that it doesn't fit your everyday style. I mean, this is much better version, and I don't know, let's unpack and look at the design. As you see here it is, fully black design, silicone rubbery band. It hooks your wrist pretty nicely, stylish and comfy. But the best feature, full color AMOLED touch display, 0.95 inch. That is absolutely fantastic. The color display gives the Mi Band a leg up over every other fitness band. They matched also the shades of black of the display and the rubbery band so good that it's hard to see where the display starts even. Anyway, let's turn it on and see the features. As you suggest, it needs to be paired with your phone. You click the Bluetooth and you pair with the name Mi Smart Band 4. When it's done, you will be able to see call, text and app notification, but that's not everything. You can swipe up the screen. Here you can see you can swipe up the screen and see weather information, your daily fitness stats, and read notifications, get the heart rate reading. Oh, that's so cool. Heart rate reading, yeah. Xiaomi is your doctor. And manually initiate a workout. Yeah, you need to initiate a workout. So cool, right? Another thing Mi Band 4 does well is idle alerts. The band will vibrate if you're inactive for an hour, and you can even choose a custom vibration pattern for alert. You know, different ones you can choose, of course. The customizability extends to other features as well. It has heart rate sensor, as I said. Yes, heart rate sensor is something extremely cool. Like when you feel stressed, for example, you have exam and you feel super stressed, and you wear your Xiaomi Mi Band 4 and it tells you, keep calm, keep calm. Your heart is getting damaged by your stress, so you need to keep calm. Yeah. And you can set the interval for detection frequency. You can set the band to record your heart rate every minute or do it at 5, 10 and 30 minutes intervals. For example, you are working out and you want to see if you're in the cardio zone or in fat burning zone of the heart rate, and then your Xiaomi band tells you without looking at the screen of the treadmill. Isn't that amazing? Yes, it is. There is also an option automatically increase the detection frequency during a workout to get more accurate data. A new feature that locks the band once you take it off your wrist. For example, you can just take it off and throw it like this, and it locks. You see, it becomes black. Everything is okay. Mi Band 4 series relies on Mi Fit to sync fitness data and sleep insights to a phone. You have that Mi Fitness app to your phone, and it's paired with your Xiaomi band. Everything is pairing with each other, yes. And for example, let's say like you have your steps for the day, your calorie data, it goes directly into your phone, your sleep insights. I'll tell you more about this feature just later. And you can basically, all of the data is on your phone and it's very accessible to you. I love it mostly because of the activity and swim tracking. Yes, gym lovers, this is the band for you. Now you will know every calorie you burned and every step. Pair this with your MyFitnessPal, you know that everybody knows that application, and you're good to go with your gym goals. You know, you count your calories, how much you ate, how much you burned, and all of this circle to reach your goals. water resistance up to 50 meters for the divers and swimmers. You can shower with it, you can swim with it, dive with it, up to 50 meters, of course. You're not extremists. 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking. People would say, why would you want sleep tracking? You need, because sleep is an essential thing in your life, especially the deep phase of it, that is the key to healthy and nice life. Because in the deep phase of the sleep, your brain is in the state of the very deep rest. So you need that. You need that to be at least 40 minutes per night. And this little cutie can tell you, did you slept good tonight or not? So be ready to be tracked everything, everywhere, all of it. Does it sound good to you? Because it sounds amazing to me. Like, you go to sleep, this tells you what was your heart, it records your heart rate when you're asleep. Continual heart rate monitor will obviously affect the battery life. Don't forget about this. It can last up to 20 days with one charging, but when you use all of the features and when you look at it very frequently, it can go for a week, and then you will need to charge it, obviously. The charger is here in the box. Here. Basically, you take out this screen from the band itself. I'm a little bit bad at taking it off. Here, I managed to. And you put it here. Then it goes to a computer USB port and it charges. The color AMOLED screen, I can't stop speaking about this screen, makes Xiaomi Mi Band 4 much more enticing, and you get, for example, you go outside and you don't see good, but with this you see better sunlight visibility and more options. You can have more options to customize the band on your taste. For example, I have my picture here. Every time I look at it, I see my picture. Isn't that majestic? The interface isn't laggy. Mi Fit has also received a much needed overhaul, and it's easier to view your daily activity and configure the Mi Band 4 settings. The ability to sync data with Google Fit is an added bonus, as I said. The band itself is comfortable to wear all day, and there is a vast ecosystem of third-party options available if you want to switch out the silicone band for more stylish options. For example, sometimes you're getting bored, you don't want to be black, you want something pink, you want something yellow, different colors, different seasons, different moods. Like, it's up to you. Coming under $50 price or tax, this is very, I don't know how, it's very teasing about this, like very low price, so many features. Everybody who looks for a budget-friendly fitness tracker, this is for you. It's like I can tell that for this price you receive so many things that, I don't know, heart rates, sleep monitoring, calories, steps, everything is tracked down and you are good to go. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for much more content.